Welcome to St. Ives. First impression.
Ganda. Very nice.
Ganda. Gandang beach ng St. Ives. So, gonna explore it. Sama namin kayo. Let's go! Welcome to Port Minster. Similar to ano man, Boracay, no?
Very similar to Paracay.
Hanap tayo ng spot doon, malapit sa spot. Ano masabi mo, May?
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Doon tayo may pumuda.
Every summer we have fun. Every summer we are going down. Every summer we are surfing around. Until the sun.
Hello, there's guest services. Where will you stay?
So just honestly follow all this way till you get to this point here.
Okay.
It will be signposted, so don't worry. Take a left, there left, all the way down. There's parking right next to number 12 just there.
There's a parking next to number 12.
Right next to it.
Amazing.
So the indoor pool is 10 till 4. Sands Bistro is your restaurant and bar. You can get breakfast, lunch and dinner in there. It's from 9 till 9, okay?
Okay.
Dynamite Club is where you get all the entertainment. It's the building just to the left where we are now, guys, okay? That's open evenings only. And that is all we can know.
Andito tayo.
Yeah.
So, dadaan tayo dito sa roundabout.
Dalawang roundabout.
Dire-diretso.
Dire-diretso lang. And then,
Sec-
next to number 12.
This is the second one. And then,
And this is the pool. Ito yung beach.
okay. Okay, so nandito na po kami. Retro view. Wow. Wow. Alright.
Hindi siya overlooking na overlooking.
First impression, Mike. How's it?
I think it looks nice.
Comfy.
Naka na yung fridge. Nandito na kami. May na. Eh, mahina yung signal.